This application is built with Highland stone retaining wall units. These techniques apply to all Anchor multi-piece systems. Dig the trench and build the leveling pad using best practices. Install the base course. Add additional leveling pad aggregate behind the base course and compact. Add the next course of blocks. Install drain tile on top of the compacted base materials behind the block. Add T-connectors, where the outlets will be placed in the wall. Add the drain tile extensions to the T-connectors and extend them to the face of the block. Install clear drainage rock on top of the drain tile behind the first course. It's a good idea to add a grate over the outlet flush with the block face. Continue building the wall using best practices. You don't need to fill the voids between the blocks if you use filter fabric.